That's super easy to make. We need to grind this chicken breast first. We need to chop an onion, a bell pepper, some parsley and 3 garlic cloves and add them one by one to the bowl of grind chicken breast. There you go, 3 more left. A little breadcrumb gives the chicken a crisp texture, and a mix of cumin, red pepper, salt, and paprika brings out its flavor. Anyways, we need charcoal in order to give the kebab a smoky flavor. There we are. We need a few wooden sticks, water as well. This is what we need to do with this awesome mixture. You guessed it right, 1 hour. Get a pot with water and bring it to boil. That was for rice. What about sauce, you might say? Once again, onion, bell pepper, tomatoes and garlic cloves.
Sal de tu nido, paloma linda, anda y prueba tu volar. No tengas miedo, mi palomita, que nada te va a pasar. Anda y prueba tus alas bonitas, sin que el temor te limite. Vuela paloma bien alto, mi vida, no dudes que siempre amanece, ya amanecerá. Paloma linda, paloma, paloma linda, paloma, paloma linda, paloma, paloma linda.
After 2 minutes of frying, add 2 teaspoons of tomato paste and fry for a little bit more. Don't forget to add salt to taste. I almost forgot. Let's get back to sauce. That was vinegar. Feel free to skip it if you are not a vinegar fan. By the way, use a masher or a blender for doing this. Saffron, brood, butter, melted. Mix them both. What a great combination! Fry chickens to a golden brown perfection and brush the kebab with that saffron combination. What an awesome journey for chicken to show its full potential! Wow! Subscribe and watch the video on the screen next.